Thank you for your interest in the new IAIP Online Learning Management System. In an effort to improve our members' on-demand learning experience, we have converted our CLP, CLP Renewal, and Advanced CLP self-study courses into online interactive sessions. No changes have been made to our instructor-led courses. Both in-person and virtual instructor-led courses are still exactly the same. Our former downloadable PDF self-study guides have been converted into online interactive sessions that can be purchased and completed on demand when it is convenient for your schedule. These new on-demand courses are located in our Learning Management System, or LMS, and now include extra elements such as video chapters, test your knowledge sessions, reference material, exercises, and assignments to enhance your individual learning experience. When you enter the LMS via the IAIP website, click on the Catalog tab to access all of the IAIP course options available to you. When you find the course you want to study, simply click on the title. Here's a tip. If you are logged in correctly as an IAIP member, you should see the word member in parentheses after the title of the course. This is something you should check to ensure you are getting the discounted member pricing. If you see non-member or corporate member, then you are not logged in correctly. When you click on a course title, this will take you to the landing page for that course. Here, you click the Register Now button to continue. On the shopping cart page, you may choose to shop for more or check out. If you have a promo code for a discounted or free course, this is the page where you will need to enter that code and apply it. Do this before you click Checkout. Once you have purchased your course, you will be taken to a page like this, where you may start it by clicking on Start Course. If at any point in the course you have to stop, the LMS will save your progress, and when you log in again, it should take you to this page. Your progress will appear here under the Start Course button. If you have any questions about how to take an LMS course, please review our tutorial video called How to Navigate an IAIP On-Demand Course. The video will walk you step by step through a course. If you run into any technical problems while using the LMS, please contact us at membership@iaip-ins.org.